We are working on 2014 Toyota Tacoma passenger side headlight. Got water in there, so we got new headlight. We're going to replace that. Okay, first step is these are all 10 mil bolt. You're going to remove this one on the top, this one here. We're also going to have to take the grill out, and there is a locking pins. You lift up the pins and the grill comes out. Okay, so once you have the grill out, next step is to remove this splash guard. We're going to turn the wheel. Can you turn the... There's a locking pins. Same thing, you pull out the outer ones and pin comes out. There's just one there. This pops out. The reason we are pulling that out is that there's a 10 mil right around here. We're going to have to remove that. Alright, so somebody took this headlight out. Either they broke it or didn't put it in. You're supposed to have one 10 mil on this side. No, this has to come out. Can you pull? This. Oh, we're gonna put new headlight. Chin, write them up 175.
What?
Write them up 175.
Who am I writing up?
Converting to LED. It's H4. You push this locking tab out like this. Bulb comes out. Great. This is not supposed to come off. This locking tab locks it in. There's a hook here. And make sure the LEDs are straight in. Put the gasket on.
Same color as the other one?
Yes, it's clear.
LED or regular?
No, regular. That's good.